We're almost at our destination, but fucking look at this. So chilly. Crazy. Doesn't feel that cold. We're in shorts, chilling. Yeah, she's well frozen. Look at that. It's very cool. Alright, get it. Rightio, we've made it. It was a nice day in town, but here we are. Bit Silent Hill mode, but we'll give it a go. I reckon I'm very hopeful actually, so it's kind of good conditions. So tuck into this salmon frittata we've gotten out from, and then crank into it. Right, for gear we're using the Diverge X and the Ultegra. About 16 pound braid. I think it's 4 or 6 pound leader. What weight's that? An 1/8 with an olive pearl. We might actually go down to probably a 12th, I think, but to be seen. Rightio. I've decided I'm going to go with the 1/8. Go all the way down there up to the bridge, and then I think we might switch to like a 12th or a 16th on the way back, but we'll try fish a bit deeper at the start and then try the shallow and maybe come up here later, but I don't know, it's pretty muddy as you can probably see, so we'll see how we go. This water is insanely clear. You don't see it like this often. Not up here. That's so weird. It looks so strange with all this fucking fog. It's a good looking lure. Yeah, as soon as I've hit these rocks here, it's just gotten much deeper, so 1/8 is probably perfect right now. Whew. Slowly making it closer to the bridge. Nothing yet, not even a hit. Thinking about putting on a spinner, because I have had success in the past here with a spinner, but no, and they're a bit more fun, you can rip them out a bit further. So you might see that next, we'll see. There are a crazy amount of rise ups happening all around this bridge. I've never seen this in freshwater before. I'm thinking it might be perch, but this is like saltwater workups. I am freaking excited right now. You know what, I'll just keep you recording and we'll run over there. What is going on up here? Oh look, they're right here, they're right here. Let's cast out into there. It's pretty close. Unless it's like displaced mud, but I've been here so many times and I've never seen this. What is it? Oh, wait. Wait. I've been tricked, I think. They happen to be all under those power lines. So I'm guessing those power lines are frozen and the moisture's dropping off. That will make a lot more sense. Got me all excited for nothing. We've made it to the bridge. It's cleared up quite a lot actually. I keep wanting so bad for these to be rise ups, but they're not. I'm unsure how deep it is here. Let's just let that. It's only just at the bottom really. Fuck. That is very deep. Yeah, very quiet today. Usually there's a bit more action out here, but not today. Right, I saw a fish rise and didn't seem keen on that last lure, so I'm going to give this wax swing a go. They're pretty good, Shimano. I don't know what weight this is. I think this is one of the bigger ones. So now there's two sizes. So yeah, fingers crossed. This is the knot I do, if anyone's wondering. Just 6 times around and then... Yep. Done. Yeah, pretty simple knot. I'm sure people have much better ones. It's not my forte. It's probably the thing I'm the worst at in fishing, hence why I use a swivel. Right, bring you back when we got a trophy trout. We really aren't having a lot of luck today. Got the wax swing on still. It's cleared up a lot. I'm thinking wax swing on the way back, then go to the beach, maybe wax swing along there, slash put probably a 1/12 of an ounce jig head on and soft bait around there. And if none of that works, then I think we might try dig for some worms and get a bait, because I want to catch fish today. Look at that. Weed rod holder there. Perfect size. So if we do get some worms, we'll come back here if we can find it. Right, it's really cleared up now. You can see the whole lake. So yeah, this is exactly where I was before in the morning. I was probably only about, what, how long ago now? Hour ago. Hour, 10 minutes ago. So just, it's crazy what can happen in an hour. We're going to wax swing along the beach. Go up to, oh, there's a boat ramp up there, so we'll try to go to there. And no luck there, we'll chuck a soft bait on, come back down, and then no luck there, we'll search for some worms. Just had to strip down, get in this freezing water to grab my wax swing, but $20 lure, I am not letting that go to waste. So I'm taking that as a sign I need to go back to a soft bait. Right, we switched to this. Within 5 casts we got a hit, so we're using the right stuff now. We just need to get one. Oh, that was a good hit too. Pulled line and everything. That's rough. Oh well. We'll try and get him. Fuck. Oh. Rise up literally just behind me. Go on, hit that. You wouldn't. Oh, oh no! Damn it! Fuck you! Oh, he hit it too. He fucking hit it. Oh. Come on. No, we're getting a fish today. If I have to walk back and forth along this bank all day, I will. Yeah. Oh! Fuck off! What? No! What's going on? The geese are laughing at me. Fuckers. Yeah, this time, go on, hit it for a 3rd time in a row. I don't think I've ever had a fish do that. Yeah, of course not. Fucker. We're on. We are on. We're on. Finally. It's a trout. It's not a perch. Ooh! Ooh! Come in, bud. Don't actually have my net on me, so we're gonna try to do this very quick. Chill out, mate. Here we are. Got it out. Stop biting it. Alright. Look at that. Nice. Finally. Right, he's very, very, very all good to go, as you can see. Yes! Right. Oh, I've got a video. I really didn't want to have to fucking put the old Tegra into the mud. Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh, right. Well, that was great. It must be a tasty soft bait because that trout did not want to let it go. Oh, and that was funny. I literally grabbed all my stuff from there, took it up to the car, put my jersey back on, first cast back into it. Oh, we got a video. Awesome. That's a dub. Rightio, I think we're gonna call it there at this spot because we're almost out of charge, and I mean, it is looking perfect conditions to be fair, but we've given it a good nudge. I don't really want to be trawling around in mud for the rest of the day, so we're gonna go to a spot up the road, up there somewhere, and give that a go. Fingers crossed we can get something there. Might put on a worm if we can be bothered trying to find one, but hopefully that black soft bait just does the damage. Suppose we'll see. See you there. Right, this is the other spot. We gave it a go, but no luck, and getting pretty accomplished, so we're going to continue on.